So, good morning. This is how I set up for my inter-VLAN routing using the layer 3 switch. First, you go with your design, you look for layer 3 switch. This is an example of layer 3 switch here. So, I add my devices. Also add so I'll make my connections. So I'm using this area as my VLAN 10, and this area will be my VLAN 20. So VLAN 10. So this is my VLAN 10, and I'll be using the IP address. I'll be using the network 192.168.10.0/24. Also, this part is for my VLAN 20. This part is for my VLAN 20, and I'll be using the network 192.168.20.0/24. So now I go ahead to add my IP address for each devices. This is PC0 from VLAN 10, and it's using the network 192.168.10. So this will go with .2 because I will be using my .1 as my default gateway. So my default gateway for VLAN 10 will be 192.168.10.1. I'll configure for PC, my second PC, which is PC1. I'll use the IP address 192.168.10.3 since I used 2 for the first one, and the default gateway will be 192.168.10.1. They must have the same default gateway, being in the same VLAN. So I have also 192.168.10.4, and I have 192.168.10.1. So I have added the IP addresses for each of the devices. Any device in VLAN 10, I'll do same to VLAN 20. Oh, sorry about that. Why is this happening? for VLAN 20 with 192.168.20.1. Add for the second piece is 192.168.20.3. This is 192.168.20.1. Also 192.168.20.4. 192.168.20.1. So I've added the IP addresses. I've assigned IP addresses to all the devices, the 6 devices on VLAN 10 and the devices on VLAN 20. So I'll move to configuring my layer 3 switch. So come to the CLI. I'll move from privilege to global. From global, I'll move to configuration mode. Terminal 2. So the first thing I do is create the VLANs. VLAN 10. I'll give it the name. Name is administrative traffic, right? Then create VLAN 20, and name is guest traffic. So I have created my VLANs. So I will add the IP address of the default gateway. I will assign it to the VLAN. So I will I'll call for the interface VLAN 10. I will add the IP address 192.168.10.1 So I'm assigning the default gateway to the interface VLAN 10. I'll also call the interface VLAN 20. Do same by adding the IP address 192.168.20.1 255.255.255.0. So run my no shutdown. Exit. So now it's time for me to add my ports to the VLANs. From the ports, I use port 1 to 3 for VLAN 10 and port 4 to 6 for VLAN 20. So I will call up the interface fast internet 0/1. I'll use interface range because I want to do them all at the same time. Interface range fast internet 0/1 to 3. Then I will switch mode access, and switch access to VLAN 10. Sorry. This exit. Call the interface range. Fast internet 0/4 to 6, right? Then I'll switch ports. Switch mode access. So move to VLAN 20. No shut down. Then now I will activate my IP routes. configuration. And yes, let's ping and see. So I'm pinging. Let me ping the gateway first. Ping from VLAN 10. Ping 192.168.20.1. So I'm pinging, and you can see the reply is coming on. So that means let me ping dot 3. Yeah, I think the reply is going. So thank you and have a nice day.